Alrighty guys, so I am going to be investing $2,000 into Delta Air. Now Carter, why are you doing this? Well, it's very simple. I think that Delta does have a ton of potential for 2021. I do think that we will have people start traveling more, and honestly, with the vaccine coming out, it's just a matter of time. So breaking down the charts here, you guys can see that before the whole crash here, before everything kind of went to crap, you guys can see that Delta Airlines had a beautiful upward trend, really made higher highs, higher lows. So you guys can see each of the lows got higher until this whole crash here. This stock fell upwards of like 55% all the way down from $63 all the way down to $17.50. Got bought up, formed some new resistance here at around $36, sold off, and has really just been consolidating with a slow upward trend. We did get huge buying pressure. This is when they announced the vaccine, broke out of this old resistance, came back up, touched this 200 moving average line, which is this $44 mark, touched it and sold off. So stocks, when they're above it, have a tendency to act as, the 200 moving average line has a tendency to act as support. So you guys can see it comes in contact and we get buying pressure, okay? But when the stock falls below it like it does in here, now this 200 moving average line is gonna act as resistance. So I do think that we will have, a ton of buying pressure with this stock here going into 2021. My price target is for it to come back up to at least $55 a share. I think that's a very, very real expectation. And now, am I going to be investing in all the airline stocks? Absolutely not. You know, if you look at like American Airlines, look at the difference. You know, before the whole crash here, this stock was actually losing money, okay? Had highs here at 30. All right, sold off here to $8, consolidated, and really has not been breaking out of any resistance. And look at the gap here from this 200 moving average line. We're just getting slammed with sellers, and it's just not a good thing. But if you compare it to Delta, look at this beautiful upward trend. All the fundamentals of Delta are so much better than all the other ones. So me personally, I think that Delta Airlines is going to be 100% buy for 2021. I'm super excited. Price target is around 55. Am I going to be setting any stops? No, I think that this stock carries a ton of long-term potential. I'm going to hold this for 5 to 10 years and just let it ride. I do think that we'll have a continuation in this upward trend here. I think it's just a matter of time. But you always have to understand that this still does carry a little more risk than probably you know of. You know, so that's why I'm only going to be investing $2,000, and then I'll be investing right around $25 to $50 maybe per week into this, maybe buying a share a week over the next couple of weeks, so I can still get a good average price, kind of dollar cost average my shares out and get a good average price for the long term. Another reason why I love this stock too is you guys see these little, this little money sign here. These are dividends. So this stock was paying dividends, and if you look closely, we have a 30-cent dividend, 35% dividend, 40-cent dividend. So they were growing their dividends. I hope for them to continue to do that here within the next couple of years. And I'm completely willing to hold this stock for a year, 2 years, for it even to come back up to 55. I think that is a very, very strong expectation, and it's a very real possibility here. But I am 100% long for Delta Airlines. Fundamentals look great. Price to earning is nothing outrageous. Everything looks very, very strong, and the technicals look strong too. If you were going to swing trade this, I would look for a break of this 200 moving average line or for a drop down to 37. Either do a resistant breakout or a little old resistance turning into new support. Those would be my swing trade strategies, but I'm going to be holding for a long-term investment. So I hope you guys enjoyed the episode. I hope you guys learned something. And if you did, hit that like button and subscribe to the channel. Just a quick video really explaining my thought process behind Delta Airlines and how I am going to be investing in it. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Take care, guys.